Before finding this 2,200 square foot bungalow in their picturesque neighborhood, fitness enthusiast Gary and Lauren's relationship had already been put to the test.
Shortly after we got married, though, we both got laid off from our jobs, so we spent the first few months of our marriage unemployed.
It was actually really good for us and showed us that we can work through anything. So then when we both got a job, we decided to buy a house.
When we first walked into the home, within 5 steps, she said she wanted this house.
There were some issues that we saw, but we overlooked them just because we loved the property and the location.
We have a creek in the back of our yard. This property suits our dogs perfectly. It's one of the main reasons we bought it.
But notice how those things are all outside the house. 3 years later, the problems inside the house are still there, and we're at the point now where we want to start our family. This house is not going to work in its current state with 2 dogs and a new baby. The kitchen is a disaster. We have 0 counter space. We really want to have a clean, healthy lifestyle, and we just don't have the space for it. The laundry room is next to the living room. So when we watch TV, we have to crank up the volume because the noise is so loud from the washer and dryer.
It's really not that bad.
How about the fact that the laundry room is on the complete opposite side of the house from the bedrooms?
It's not that bad taking stuff back and forth. I do it all the time.
Awful.
But even worse is the bathroom situation.
The 2 of us can barely even fit in there together.
It's a little small.
A little small. I haven't used it in the last 2 years. I use the hallway bathroom, which means I have to go back and forth to use the master.
It's the next room over. It's not like it's 50 feet away.
I should not have to do that.
A minor renovation could solve that.
Why don't you go ahead and fix that for the next homeowners while we go to our new house? Our closet space, it's laughable. Our space for our clothes is on the floor, in the master bedroom, in the spare bedroom, in the laundry room.
Maybe we have too much stuff.
It's crazy.
I understand it might be problematic for her, but we have rooms that we don't even use.
How can you say that we don't use those rooms? Well, I need that space to work in my office, at my computer. It also functions as a guest bedroom, your laundry dump pile, so it's not my space. Gary's office is huge.
It's a great office.
It was meant to be an extra bedroom, but since you have to walk through the master bedroom to get there, he turned it into his office space. No one in their right mind would build that big of an office.
There are 2 or 3 days a week. I need the space, I need the seclusion, I need to be able to separate my work from the rest of our house.
I need. What about what I need? I'm ready to move into a new home that has a lot of room for a lot of little Garys and Laurens to run around.
This property is absolutely perfect. We have plenty of space. Why can't we just make some minor renovations to the inside and have everything?
Because there's nothing minor about what needs to be done in this house. Yeah. We're out of here.
Open up and update kitchen. Level the floor in the living room. Additional closet and storage space. Update the main bathroom. Update and enlarge a master bathroom. And relocate the laundry. I don't even need to see the house to know that that's nothing.
Well, we'll see when we see the house. All right, must-have list to go.
Go ahead.
Same neighborhood. Move-in ready, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, including large master bath, 2 separate offices, workout room, large modern kitchen, walk-in closet in master bedroom, and large fenced-in yard.
Same neighborhood. Yeah. Never mind, you'll be fine, because this is nothing. You can replicate this. Let's go.
Hilary and David meet up with Gary and Lauren to find out what kind of budgets they'll be working with.
Thank you.
All right, so Hilary and I have been through your house, and there is a long list of issues.
Yes.
I'm gonna solve those issues. I've done an evaluation on your home, and the current value is $275,000. What is the budget for the new house?
$375.
All right.
Good luck.
It's wishing me good luck. We're starting off on the right foot.
And from the bottom of his heart, I could tell.
Is that sarcasm, you think?
In your house, there is nothing but potential to make this home function. What's my budget?
Your budget is $85,000.
That's a nice budget.
Take that budget, do whatever you have to do, give her all the things that she needs so she'll stay.
I like that.
The guest bedroom and my office space, we need those spaces. I don't want them to turn into anything else.
I am going to work with that budget, and I'm going to turn this home into a place that will function for you, starting a new family, and when I'm done...
We're gonna love it.
That's right. You are going to love it.
Lauren, don't worry about what Hilary's doing, because I'm gonna find you the house that you need. And when I find that house, the only thing you're gonna say about your current house is listed. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Already moving forward, David is out the door and has a $375,000 house hunting budget to find the combination of function on the inside and beauty on the outside that will get Gary to move. Meanwhile, back at the house, Hilary has $85,000 to transform enough of this house to meet Lauren's vision of the future of her family, a task that Hilary and contractor Eric certainly take seriously. With her priorities firmed up, Hilary's team wastes no time smashing apart the past to make way for the future. The hotly debated walls in the main area are demolished and braces are installed to carry the load while the custom beam is being built. Meanwhile, in the master bedroom, the current bathroom is being torn out to make way for Hilary's proposed new office space for Gary. And while she knows it's a risky move, she's not the only one willing to gamble. David knows he's found a house that's sure to get Gary's attention.
Great curb appeal.
Gorgeous.
And in the right neighborhood.
At 3,000 square feet, this newly built home has plenty of space for 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a roomy master bath. Providing improved function are an updated kitchen, 2 offices, a dedicated laundry room, and a workout space, all on a gorgeous tree-lined lot inside Gary's beloved neighborhood.
All right, come on in.
Wow.
Lots of space.
Very nice. Look
Gary, look, he's smiling. Holy moly, I didn't think I'd see that.
Well done, well done.
And then you move right into your dining room. Kitchen's right over there.
Love the ceiling.
Beautiful coffered ceilings. Now, for business, for Lauren, this is going to be your office area.
5 feet into the house, I'm already in love.
How can Hilary compete with me? She can't.
Well, let's see the rest of it.
This is going to be the workout space.
Oh,
And it's on the main floor.
You're nailing it.
The eat-in kitchen.
now this is a kitchen.
Yeah, there's plenty of space.
So, starting in the master bedroom,
It's nice, very nice.
you've got a walk-in closet over there. Plus, there has to be a great ensuite.
A place where we're not bumping into each other. We can actually get ready together.
Yes, let's turn that up, Gary. Okay, second floor laundry.
Much better than what we have.
Oh, it's miles better than what you have.
Very nice.
And here you have another great bedroom.
It's another great room.
So here you have the backyard.
We're still
I
not
know.
quite where our property is.
It's not easy finding something close to your neighborhood
Right.
that I think you guys will love, that'll give you the space you need. This house is listed at $450,000. That's what 3,000 square feet on a nice lot is going to cost.
I think the property we have right now with what Hilary's gonna do is gonna give us what we need right there.
So let's move on. I'm going to keep looking, and I'm going to find the perfect house.
Forced to turn his attention toward more financially feasible options, David returns to the listings while Gary and Lauren head home and come face to face with the future of their main floor.
You ready?
Yes, we are.
Here you go.
Whoa!
Wow.
My goodness, this is huge.
You not see why
Wow,
I really needed to do this?
it's amazing.
I'm speechless. This is.
I like you like this.
David's gonna have his work cut out for him.
Yes. All right, let's go and look at the bathroom now.
Great.
Okay.
So now, without all of your desk and your office stuff, and you really get a sense of how big it is.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Great space. So, this was your old bathroom,
Okay.
and this is now your office.
This is a third of the size of what I had before. I don't know if I can make this work.
But remember, whatever I want to give Lauren what she needs to be happy here,
I'll just have to see what it looks like when it's done.
we'll make it work.
Okay.
Okay, now there's just one more thing I need to show you, okay?
Okay.
Here's the thing. Because of doing the bathroom upstairs,
Hilary, this is pretty low.
so because of doing the bathroom upstairs, I have to run my plumbing here, and you're gonna lose ceiling height.
I hear a lot of you're losing this space. You're losing this space too.
Well, I mean, I'm excited about the bathroom, but this is kind of a big deal.
You can't have both.
I'm not happy with this, but I can live with it if that's what it takes to get you to stay here.
Well, then, on that note, I'd say we're done.
Okay.
Okay, this is just not fair.
I kind of regret that I told her to do anything she had to do.
Now, because they see what I have to do to create the master bathroom, Gary's throwing a fit.
You're holding back for Hilary's sake, which is nice, but You're pissed off,
Well,
and
I
would
want to
be
give her a
too.
chance.
I could see Lauren smirking. I just know she was. She really believes that I have lost Gary. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen.
Not far away, David knows he's found the property that could coax Gary to move.
Yeah, it looks like it's built.
Look at this. Is this not beautiful?
I like the property.
Let's go see a house.
At 2,800 square feet, this house allows plenty of room for 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a master bath. This family-ready house also boasts an open-concept kitchen and family room combination, 2 office spaces, a separate laundry room, and a basement with workout space, all on a gorgeous lot that may be a few minutes away from their current property, but includes a feature that's certain to win Gary over.
Here we are.
A little more speed.
It's got that older home country character to it, yeah.
It also has the upgrades that I think you want.
Oh, very nice.
Gary?
Office space.
Yes.
Nice size.
Oh, and see, he's not gonna cut it in half like Hilary did.
She's cutting your office in half?
Probably more than half.
This is a major upgrade in size.
And we are moving into the family room. We've got the eat-in kitchen. And as you can see, it is nice and level.
Nice, no
drop.
tripping.
Then you move into the kitchen. And you've got great connection with your dining room.
I love this kitchen. This is great.
It's an upgrade.
And here you have your laundry room.
Very nice.
This is still on the first floor, though. Where was the master bedroom?
The bedrooms are upstairs.
Okay.
There is a closet right up above here. So if you wanted to, you could punch a hole in the
Chute.
floor and just create a chute and just throw it down.
Awesome.
Now, I know that you guys love your backyard,
Yes.
but I've seen your deck. Check this deck out, overlooking an incredible piece of property.
This is awesome. No neighbors.
Beautiful trees and a creek.
I mean, the dogs would love this. This is amazing. I like the property.
There's lots more house to see.
Sounds good.
Bedroom number 1. Isn't this nice?
I like the closet space. The room size is fine.
Fine, it's fine.
It's fine.
Now, this is probably the smallest of the bedrooms. This, I think, makes the most sense as an office space.
It's still a nice office space.
This is gonna be your guest bathroom.
Okay.
Love it, Gary?
Love's a strong word for a small bathroom.
He's such a tool.
And this would be the nursery.
Oh,
All right? This is going to work better than what you currently have.
This isn't bad. It's another great room.
And this is the master bedroom,
very nice.
which is very nice.
Nice
Yes, it
big
is.
room.
Yes, a big room that you're not gonna have in your house.
That's right.
You've got walk-in closet, plus
Great. Very nice.
it's very nice.
Love the finishes.
It's a lot better than our bathroom. It's just no bigger.
All right, we're heading to the basement. You now have a gym.
This is definitely a major upgrade with some work.
All right, so, seen it all.
It's what we had at the old house, but more.
I agree. Plus, the property is exactly what we wanted.
What do you think this house is listed at?
400?
What do you think?
Closer to 450.
This house is listed at $338,000.
No way.
It is below the top end of your budget.
Yeah, far below.
No, that makes it a lot more appealing.
I am absolutely thrilled by how that went.
This house is for us.
I agree.
Yes, Hilary's gonna do a great reno, but I am gonna be there to remind them how this house will take them into the future they want in a way theirs never will.
Well, I think we have to give Hilary a chance to see what she does come up with, but this is a great option for us.
Yeah, the only option.
With such a tempting offer on the plate, Lauren and Gary head home, where at long last, they get to tour their own house now that Hilary's extensive renovations are finally complete.
The big day.
Yes.
We're very excited.
Here we go.
All right.
Oh my God.
Here it is.
Wow.
It's about as big a transformation as you could ever hope for.
It's gorgeous.
The island is brand new, and this is a huge solution for entertaining, or you clear everything off and it's just an amazing prep area. Much more space than you had before. All the storage right here.
Wow.
Look at the sink.
Wow.
The floors are brand new.
Very nice.
Everywhere.
And I love the railing.
This is a great solution.
So this is a lovely way of defining spaces, and it's a width so that you can do one of those temporary gates up
Oh, okay.
when you have little ones running around. And the barn door is
Barn door is
fabulous.
I've always wanted one of those.
Well, now you got one. So now turn around and look at everything in this direction. I could stop right here, I think. But there's more to see.
There's more.
All right, let's go take a look.
Okay.
Wow.
Who would have thought this used to be our bathroom?
Right.
You have a really nice tucked away space to work in now.
I couldn't imagine a better outcome in this small space. Wow.
It's like I'm in a resort.
That's the idea.
Wow.
You understand what you have here, which is a wet room.
Right. Wow.
So you can be showering whilst you choose. Shower, take a tub.
Yeah. This
We
is
can
amazing.
actually get ready together now.
All right, ready to go. I mean, David is waiting for you in the kitchen. He's going to remind you of all those beautiful houses he showed you. But I want you to keep this right front and forward in your minds, all right?
Thanks,
Great.
Hilary.
Thanks, Hilary.
Listen, I will admit that this looks fantastic. However, the house we looked at below your budget is a perfect match for your future. An amazing backyard with a stream. Then you come inside the house and it has a fantastic spacious office for you. Here, your office seems to have shrunk.
It's a little smaller.
Plus an eat-in kitchen, and that was right off that incredible spacious family room with
Nice
the
and open.
fireplace. Also on the main floor, a fantastic mudroom / laundry room.
Yep.
Upstairs, 4 bedrooms, so you're set up with whatever you need. An office space for Lauren, and in the basement, a workout room. Something you do not have here. Which house makes more sense?
Right.
Before you make your decision, I have one more listing to show you, and it's yours. That is the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
Wow.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $275,000. With a renovation budget of $85,000, the new estimated value of their home is $385,000. That increases the value of their house by $110,000.
You will walk away with money if you buy that house.
My goodness, that's amazing.
While Hilary did deliver a stunning open-concept entertaining space and an expanded master bath with extra storage, she was not able to level the living room floor or relocate the laundry. David, on the other hand, seemed to have it all. But finding functional family-sized space on an equally stunning lot with a creek meant taking them outside Gary's beloved neighborhood.
Hilary did a great job.
This is better than I expected, honestly.
It looks fantastic. No, I'm not gonna, I admit that.
And then here comes.
But so did the house that I
See,
showed
there
you
you
too.
go.
That last house David showed us had 10 times the room we have here right now.
I guarantee they're going to love this house because it has the connection.
People do not connect to houses. They
Yes, they
connect
do.
to, they
No, they do.
don't. They connect
Yes, they
to
do.
memories that happen within the 4 walls.
no.
But it has nothing to do with the 4 walls.
Not true. Not true.
Are you delusional?
Well, now with the value of this house, I'm confused now. We could buy that house and put renovations into it right away.
I don't know.
It's the whole process of finding the perfect house and buying that house. Not to mention the creek. Did I mention the creek? And then
Hey, by the way, the house I showed them had a creek.
it didn't have any water in it, I guarantee it.
So you think you've decided?
I think so. What about you?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We've decided to love it.
What?
The house that delivered everything.
It did not deliver everything.
Yes, it did.
Well, obviously it didn't.
I gotta hand it to you. You really came through and showed us something I didn't think you'd be able to find. But after seeing this, we realized that all that extra space, while nice, isn't something that we need.
And that bathroom. I mean, how can you say no to that bathroom? So.
No.